Hey, what's up, guys? Locally Lost Lapidary. Today, we are going to polish up a Chrysocolla cab. Looking good. Basically, gonna freeform it out. Dome right here. Teardrop down. Should make this thing really pop. I've never done a Chrysocolla cab before. This will definitely be the first one I've ever done. But I've seen them with this color play before, and they come out looking awesome. Like a mini Earth or something. I'm not saying that's how this is gonna come out, but hopefully we can get something like that. Be nice to have a little mini Earth. But alright, guys, let's adopt this up. Put some hot glue and get started. Alright, guys, here's the piece of Chrysocolla. Nice color variation going on. I'm loving it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it off with my 80 grit Amazon diamond flat plate. Or diamond disc. This brand name is Cabochon, and they've been doing me right. This is the second disc I've ever bought from this brand, and no problems. The other disc is the 300 I have, and I love it. So first time using this. Ooh, no wobbles. I like it. Give it plenty of water. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and take these edges down. Ooh. This is what I got. Still see the colors in there. Let's move on to the 180. How am I so muddy? Alright, the Hitech Diamond 180 grit. Alright, let's get it started with this. basic shape. Big old cab. Took a lot of work. It's coming out just right though. Let's keep on going. Alright, got the 300 diamond grit. Again, this is an Amazon diamond disc from Scotchen. It's been working great so far, but let's see how it holds up for this big old Cabochon. Let's see. Here she is, looking great. I love Chrysocolla. There's just something about it. I think it's because I love malachite and I love azurite, and they just all go together. All right, let's get this off. And I'm gonna have to pull out my foam disc with the 500 grit silicon carbide media on top. And I'm just gonna keep on using that until I can get a permanent replacement. And I'm sure you guys know how it is. Sometimes we just gotta do what we gotta do to get to where we want to be. So put on the master lab. Put this puppy on right here. Alright, get my media. Put like a little 2 pinches, and I probably do this like 2 times. Like I'll do it once and then I'll recharge it again. So I'll do it 2 times. Let's rub it all in. There we go. Now let's get it going. Check this out. You guys really need to try this. I'm so thankful for that guy that posted this video originally, because that definitely works and it's definitely helping. Just beautiful colors, man. Turning out to be like a mini little globe. Land and sea. Look at that red right there. The blues. I see a little green too. A little malachite. Oh yeah, I'm excited to see how this turns out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up, to avoid all cross-contamination, especially if you're doing this. If you have this in your arsenal, you definitely want to wipe everything down clean, because it can get quite messy, as you can see. So let me get it wiped down and we'll move on to the 325 polishing pad. Guys, check this out. This is really starting to come alive. Gosh, look at all those colors. A nice, beautiful Chrysocolla cab. It looks like a little ball from the front. It's awesome. Man, that 325 grit really did it some justice. I love that blue right there. I think there's some green right here. Yeah, some greens right there. Gosh. All right, let's keep on going. Let's go to 600 now. .600 grit complete, and again, just more colors popping out. Take a closer look. Now it's starting to get glassy. I'm so ready to get to the final polish. I cannot wait to see what this looks like. All right, so let's go to the 1200. See you there. Here we are. All the pre-polishing is done. I think it looks great. I just love all the color variation. You got your blues right there. Your green malachite right there. It streams in the front, comes out the other side. So much beautiful color variation. Let's get this thing shined up. 14,000 diamond paste grit. Here we are, the finished product. Green malachite, just flowing right to the blue. The color variation on this one is quite pleasant. Just amazing. This was so much fun to work with. Really love bringing this stone to life. I'm gonna hook a jump right here. Make a nice necklace out of it. Nice little pendant. Electroform it. So that's the only scratch on it right there. But other than that, it's just beautiful. Alright guys, this was Locally Lost Lapidary. Make sure to subscribe. I don't know if you guys noticed yet, but I am a new channel. I'm currently challenging myself and uploading one video a day. I'm gonna see how long I can do that for. Maybe I could do it for a year. Maybe I can do it for 2 years. But this is what I'm doing, one video a day. And make sure to follow again and subscribe so you can see this turn into jewelry. I will be doing a jewelry run probably here in the next couple days. But every day there's going to be something new. Thank you for the support. You subscribing means a lot to me. Guys, have a great day or night. I'm out.